So good morning students, welcome back to my channel. Last 2 days I could not make video because of some reasons. Okay, so today I'm going to start accounting equation, HS first year classes. Okay, so I have you know the accounting equation. What is the accounting equation? I hope you all have come to know what is accounting equation. What is the equation? You see here, assets equals to liabilities plus capital. Okay, you please see the balance sheet. Okay, the balance sheets are drawn. Yes or no? You will find liabilities column. Okay, there you will write capital at the top and at the bottom liabilities, and you will find assets column. Both liabilities column and the assets column should be equal. Yes or no? So that means what? That assets equals to liabilities plus capital. Okay, assets equals to liabilities plus capital. You see here, assets equals to liabilities plus capital. Now if you take this part of the equation on this side, liabilities plus capital equals to assets. If you write the liabilities equals to assets, you change the side of the capital, plus capital will become minus capital. Yes or no? So liabilities equals to assets minus capital, and capital equals to assets minus liabilities. Assets minus liabilities. This assets minus, when you change the side of the liabilities, plus liabilities will become minus liabilities. Okay, so if you have done equation in your schoolings, from there you can take out this equations. Okay, so from this equation you can say that capital of a business equals to assets of the business minus liabilities of the business. Got it? Now you see, I have taken T.S.Grewal book. T.S.Grewal book, it is an NCERT book which is followed by CBSE schools. So from there I am going to solve one accounting equation. You just see how the problems on accounting equation are solved. So see, I have written the question. Show the accounting equation for the following transactions. Gopinath started business with cash rupees 25,000. Purchased goods from Sham rupees 10,000. Then you see here, sold goods to Sohan costing rupees 1800, 1500. So goods has been sold to Sohan. The cost of the goods is rupees 1800 and it is sold at rupees 1500. At loss the goods has been sold. Gopinath withdrew from business rupees 5,000. So that is drawings. So just see the format of accounting equation. This is the format. So here you are going to write down the transactions in short. Assets equals to liabilities plus capital. So what is the first transaction given? Gopinath started business with cash. So as Gopinath has started business with cash, business is cash comes into the business. So when cash comes into the business, all of you know cash is an asset. Capital of the business goes up. Yes or no? So plus asset account plus capital account. You see, started business 25,000. This is cash. Plus 25,000, there is no liabilities. Capital also increases by 25,000. So both sides will find 25,000, 25,000 equal. That means what? Left hand side and right hand side of the equation must be equal. So here it is equal. The sum is correct. Now come to the second point, purchased goods from Sham. Okay. So Sham is a party from whom goods has been purchased, okay, brought into the business. So since the name of the party is mentioned, that means what? It is a credit purchase of goods. And credit purchase of goods, you know, liability position increases. So here goods comes into the business. That means what? Stock increases. Stock is an asset. Okay, when asset increases, plus 10,000 equals to liabilities increases plus 10,000, and there is no increment in capital. So put it blank, that is nil. Okay, so how much you get? It is 35,000, it is 10,000, and it is 25,000. So 25,000 plus 10,000 you will get 35,000. Got it? Now come to the next point, that is sold goods to Sohan costing rupees 1800, rupees 1500. Okay, so goods has been sold at a loss. Okay, at a loss. Now what is the cost price of the goods? It is 1800 and it is sold at rupees 1500. Yes or no? The stock of value rupees 1800 goes out of the business, right? So it is negative 1800 because the value of the stock is rupees 1800. Yes or no? Cost price of the goods. So stock of value this goes out of the business. Stock is an asset. That means what? Negative 1800. But again cash comes into the business of rupees 1500. So that is positive. So positive 1500. Cash is also an asset. You remember that. The stock and cash both are assets. So minus 1800 plus 1800. Okay. So plus minus cancel. Okay. Plus minus, it will be minus. Okay. 1800 minus 1500, you will get 300. Yes or no? 300. So there is no liabilities. Okay, there is no liabilities. There will be a reduction in capital of rupees 300. So negative 300. Okay. Since goods has been sold at a loss, there is a reduction in capital of what value? 300. So it is minus 300. Okay, now if you solve for plus minus, it is minus 300. When you subtract, okay, 300 from 35,000, you will get 34,700. 10,000 you put as it is. Okay, here it is 25,000. Yes or no? So plus minus, it is negative 25,000. Okay, minus 300 if you do, you will get 24,700. Okay. So now you see left hand side and right hand side are equal or not? Yes, it is 34,700. Okay, in the right hand side, and in the left hand side also it is 34,700. Okay. Then you see Gopinath withdrew from business rupees 5,000. So that is drawings. So drawings means what? Cash goes out of the business. Okay, cash goes out of the business. So as cash goes out of the business, capital reduces. Okay, so it is minus 5,000. There is no liabilities. Here also it is minus 5,000. So when you subtract, you will get 29,700. It will be same. When you subtract, you will get 19,700. You see both left hand side and right hand side both are equal. Okay, that means what? Your accounting equation is correct. Okay, your accounting equation is correct. So this is how sums on accounting equations are solved. very important topic for HS first year students. You will get questions on this topic. Okay, try to solve the sums. Okay, try to understand what is accounting equation and how to solve each and every transaction. Okay, how to put it in the format. Okay, and how to take out the result. Okay, so I hope you have understood. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, we will continue in the next class. Thank you for today.